pretty controversial about what I'm going to do, but I only need this knife to open up these oysters right here. I'm going to put them in boiling water for 1.5 minutes and then pull them out and let you see what they look like. Probably just over a minute now. This is a small one. It's not opened yet. That's okay. Set it right here for just a second and let the water come back up to a boil, because I got some big ones I have to do. This one had to go back for about 2 minutes, but notice the little knife went right through the side. You cut across the front. We'll release the oyster from the top, like so. And look, it doesn't look cooked, but it's just plumped a little bit. We'll see how the other oysters look. It's a different breed of oyster. It was in for 3 minutes. Notice it still looks pretty raw almost. This one over here has been sitting, so it'll be pretty easy to open. Just an idea if you need to open oysters in a hurry and don't have a good oyster knife, and maybe you want your oysters warmed up a little bit, plumped. Okay, these are all the oysters now. Some came out perfect, some out regular. They're still juicy, because remember, they never opened. They were a lot easier to open. This really big one right here, I did have to get a screwdriver and just barely pop that in. That's a quick way and easy. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator now, and then put my tiger sauce on them, and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. I'll show you the results. Okay, here they are. My tiger sauce today is oyster sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice, vinegar, and some hot peppers that you see. And they've been in an hour. Shells are cold. Everything's nice and cold. Most people wouldn't be able to tell, I don't think, that these oysters were cooked for just a little bit. You take them and flip them over, they even look better. I forgot about that. I should have added that earlier. You take them and flip them over and they look really good.